Good morning, you guys. It's only like 5 o'clock in the morning, but I just had to come down and get some fresh air. We are staying at the Royal Pacific in Orlando. It is absolutely gorgeous here. Everybody's so nice. The music is beautiful. Just like a piece of paradise. Here's a shot of the outside of the pool. Like I said, it's only 5 a.m., so nothing is open. The main reason why I came down was to get our park tickets, not knowing that the vacation planning services doesn't open up to 7 o'clock. So I won't be able to get those till then, which is not a big deal. The boys upstairs sleeping. The alarm will be going off any minute now. So I'm expecting a phone call from them any minute now. But I'm so happy. I'm so glad that I could afford to do this for my son. With everything going on, it's just a break from reality. That line always reminds me of the song Back to Reality. Slim Shady, Eminem. If you know, you know. This here, I believe, is the dining room, but just look how beautiful it is. Now, I did post a video. I did make a video. I'm sorry, I didn't post it yet, but it will be posting it of our first day. There is no intro or outro, only because we had such a rough day yesterday. I got delayed by like 3 hours. Christian, being autistic, had a little bit of a meltdown waiting, which is completely understandable. Any adult would too. So I believe this is where we would actually have breakfast. We're going to have breakfast here probably Wednesday morning, because we're supposed to get a hurricane. A type 2 hurricane that. I don't know anything about hurricanes, so whatever we get, we're going to deal with it. But it's just so gorgeous. Like, I just can't get over how beautiful it is out here. Here's a park map, or resort map, I should say. We are staying in Tower 3. It does not say where I am right now. But I want to say I am by 6, because that would be the main entrance over there, I think. Right by the atrium. But it's absolutely gorgeous. If you're coming to Universal, I would definitely stay here. It's definitely worth the money. Plus you get free express passes, which that in itself makes it all worth it. And that's the reason why we got it. Christian being autistic, he has trouble waiting, so we figure we come here and get the express passes for free versus having to pay like $200 a person. From what I've heard, that's how much they cost. But yeah, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Look, you can even come out here, sit down at the patio. I would take you guys down by the water, but because it's Florida, I'm kind of nervous that there might be alligators in the water or crocodiles. If you're from Florida, let me know which ones you get, or if you get both. But yeah, this is just absolute paradise. I feel like I'm in Hawaii or on some tropical island. And on top of that, the staff is extremely friendly. I haven't had any issues here. The room is completely clean. It's not run down or anything like I've heard, which is amazing. Kind of got a little nervous because I had seen posts on Facebook saying how run down the rooms are. The rooms are immaculate. Now in the pool area, they also have, which is what we're walking by right now, they also have little games for kids to play, like a big giant tic-tac-toe board, bean bags. They have towels. I'm not sure if they're for rent or not, because we brought our own towels with plans on going to Volcano Bay, which I don't think is going to work out if we get that hurricane. But this is just a little glimpse into my morning, waiting for the boys to wake up. Like I said, I only came down here because I got so freaking nauseous. You wouldn't believe the food that we ate yesterday, and I don't have a big appetite. I have a very small stomach. I'm a big girl, but I have a very small stomach. I can't eat much. We went to the Two Sims Chocolate Emporium for dessert. My husband and I got milkshakes. I shipped my son because they're giant. Plus you get like a little piece of cake or brownie. Like I got the brownie milkshake. So it came like one of those brownies on top. It was one of those brownies where it wasn't like a home-baked brownie. It was more like, if you want to say, like a Little Debbie brownie. Not like it didn't have like the cosmic candies on top. It had chocolate chips, but it tasted like that type of texture. It was very thick and very filling. My husband got the strawberry shortcake. It came with a piece of cake and a strawberry. I do believe the strawberry was dipped in chocolate. I'm not exactly 100% sure on that. I forget, but I know it was dipped in something. Chocolate yogurt, I'm not sure what it was, but it was definitely dipped in something. Let's see, he got that. For dinner, we actually ate by the pool, which you will see, and I think I'm gonna post this video first. So you'll see that in the next video on day 1. Our video of the first day down. We did not do any traveling videos just because it was hectic. So my husband and I had woken up at midnight. Our flight wasn't supposed to leave till 9:54 a.m. So we woke up at midnight and I ended up waking up. So we were like, you know what, screw it. Let's get ready to go out to the airport. Maybe there'll be something at the airport to do. So we get to the airport. We get there about 4 a.m. And by 6 a.m. my son was getting restless. I'm surprised he made that long. So what we did is we went and tried to find what they call a kid porch. I don't know if all airports have it, but our local airport has it. It's like a little play area for the kids. I just gotta text my husband, where the hell are you? Alright, let me end this and get back to you guys. I'm sorry guys, I forget where I left off. But yeah, we were at the airport yesterday. And our flight ended up not leaving to boarding till a little after 11:30 in the morning. So a little after 2 hours. And then didn't take off until like 1 o'clock. We were taking JetBlue. Honestly, I hate to be a naysayer. I hate to complain, but I would not take JetBlue again. It was just a horrible experience, especially having an autistic child who can't wait around, who needs to be on a schedule. Here goes my husband again. I'm sorry, you guys. My husband had just woken up, like I was expecting. And my son's still asleep, so he's getting ready in the shower. Well, my son's asleep, and then I'll be up in a few minutes to get them ready. And then we will have the third video for you guys, our day at Islands of Adventure. Tell you what though, it's already humid out here. But I could stay out here all day long listening to this music. It's perfect. Especially for the environment where you feel like you're in a tropical paradise and then having tropical music. It's gorgeous. I'm actually gonna let you guys listen for a little bit. So I do want to point out, I think this hotel is themed after Indonesia, because this is the only, or all these little islands here in Indonesia. I hope I say this right. I'm sorry if you're from this place and I don't say it right. I don't even know if it's an island, country, whatever it is. Kalimantan? Let me say it back so you guys can see that. Sumatra, Java. I've heard of Sumatra. I want to say it's Bali, but it looks like the I is missing. Indonesia. So is Indonesia a group of islands? I'm sorry guys, I'm not good with geography. The South China Sea. So it's almost like, I thought it was like Hawaiian themed. I guess it's Indonesian themed? I'm sorry guys, I actually don't know. So I'll have to find that out. And here's another mural over here. I am gonna end this video in a couple minutes just because I want to go up and get Christian ready. So we can head down to travel planning right at 6:30 to get in line. But this is just the outdoor grounds. Got some statues here too. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna end this video for today. Well, not for today, but I'm gonna end this video. And then you guys will see our Islands of Adventure video in the next video. So I will see you guys then. With the mural over here. There's a bench, statue. But that is someone famous for historic, like, in the Indonesian islands. Please leave me a comment down below, let me know, because I have no idea. And then as we're coming over here, you have the gymnasium. There's also a gift shop right there. I'm not gonna film in the gym because there are people working out. Out of respect for those people, I'm not gonna film. Treasures of Bali. So yeah, that must have been Bali over there. Our hopes are that with the hurricane hitting this week, everybody's heading to the water parks this weekend. There's actually bathrooms over here, the Mariner Club, which I believe is the kids club. I'm not sure on that. I gotta find the door to get in. There's the arcade there. It's a very small arcade, but honestly, we're not gonna play arcade games, and Christian's well aware of that. I am heading to Tower 3 Elevators where we are, so I'm gonna end this video for today. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to the video if you have not subscribed already.